漂亮!
Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today I'd like to introduce a probably useful and fun gadget for your drone. That's the Flyfire Drone Parachute Manti 3. There are two versions, one the standard, while the other is the plus, which comes with a larger size canopy. In the box, you will find different accessories for different drones. Like this black carbon fiber bracket is for the DJI Phantom series. Just attach it to the drone landing gear. With the DJI Mavic series, you just use that strap to attach to the body of the drone. Nothing will block the sensor or something. Just to show you how it works, we attach the Manti 3 parachute to 5 water bottles just for the show. Short press once and long press for 2 seconds, then it enters airdrop mode. By the way, make sure it's horizontal when you activate this mode, otherwise it won't work. We send the drone to about 65 meters height and then
3, 2, 1, go!
That's it, all 5 parachutes opened. After that, of course, the first thing was to find the parachutes.
现在它发出了滴滴的声音。
As you can hear, it will beep so you can find it easily. After you find your parachute, long press the button to turn off the beep. Yeah, that thing on our trousers made us look like hedgehogs. But as long as you can find your parachute or your drone in real life, it's totally worth it. The beep can be clearly heard around 50 meters, so you gotta act quickly just in case other people go and steal it. We also tested on a real drone, and it's an FPV drone. We just roll it in the sky to simulate a power field drone to see if the Manti 3 can detect and open the canopy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, it worked, and the descending process was slow and stable. Of course, later we found the drone and also tested it. It performed as good as new. Alright, one last question you might have is, can the Manti 3 be reused after already opened? The answer is no. Unlike the second generation, which you can fill back the canopy and then reuse. For the Manti 3, you just replace it with a new parachute capsule. Take it off the base by using the Allen key, and then screw back a new parachute capsule. Well, in this way, the cost is higher obviously, but much more convenient and also avoid the failure that you may not be able to open after refilling like the Manti 2.
点按长按，听到声音开机成功就可以使用了。
Anyway, do you think this is a practical tool for your drone and makes you feel safer, or just a useless gimmick gadget that only consumes more battery? Let me know in the comments section. Of course, special thanks to my partner Baby for providing the content. Please subscribe if you think this video is entertaining and useful. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.